In this video, we will be discussing about Operating System 25 MCQ questions and answers as Part 1. Question of the day: which of the following is the extension of Notepad? A. Text. B. PPT. C. XLS. D. BMP. Please leave correct answer in comment section down below. Also, whoever will have more like and comment reply in his or her comment will wins. Question number 1. Which operating system require a command to run? A. macOS. B. Windows. C. Single User OS. D. Kali Linux. Correct answer is D. Kali Linux. Question number 2. The function of operating system is /R. A. To manage and control all the parts of computer. B. To get the information as input. C. To display the result as output. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 3. COW stands for A. Computer of work. B. Copy over write. C. Compress of write memory. D. Compress over write N. Correct answer is B. Copy over write. Question number 4. Which of the following is not application software? A. Photoshop. B. MS Word. C. WordPad. D. Windows 7. Correct answer is D. Windows 7. Question number 5. Which of the following OS runs on the server? A. Distributed OS. B. Batch OS. C. Network OS. D. Real-time OS. Correct answer is C. Network OS. Question number 6. Which of the following OS supports only real-time applications? A. Network OS. B. Real-time OS. C. Batch OS. D. Distributed OS. Correct answer is B. Real-time OS. Question number 7. When does page fault occur? A. The buffering occurs. B. The deadlock occurs. C. The page does not present in memory. D. None. Correct answer is C. The page does not present in memory. Question number 8. For which purpose the fence register is used? A. To disk protection. B. To memory protection. C. To CPU protection. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. To memory protection. Question number 9. What type of commands are required to perform various tasks in DOS? A. Valuable commands. B. Primary commands. C. Internal commands. D. External commands. Correct answer is D. External commands. Question number 10. What is Unix operating system? A. Can run on PCs and larger system. B. Supports multitasking. C. Supports multi-user. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 11. Which of the following Windows does not have a Start button? A. Windows XP. B. Windows 8. C. Windows 7. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Windows 8. Question number 12. Which of the following supports Windows 64-bit? A. Windows 2000. B. Windows 1997. C. Windows XP. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Windows XP. Question number 13. Which is /R not the functions of OS? A. Resource management. B. Processor management. C. File management. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of real-time OS? A. Mac. B. MS-DOS. C. Process control. D. Windows 8. Correct answer is C. Process control. Question number 15. Interface to access the services of the OS? A. Assembly instruction. B. API. C. CLI. D. System call. Correct answer is D. System call. Question number 16. Which is the first program run on a computer when the computer boots up? A. Operating system. B. System software. C. Application software. D. Booster. Correct answer is A. Operating system. Question number 17. Which program runs first after booting the computer and loading the GUI? A. File Manager. B. Desktop Manager. C. Windows Explorer. D. Authentication. Correct answer is D. Authentication. Question number 18. Linux is A/N? A. DBMS. B. Video Editor. C. System Software. D. Operating System. Correct answer is D. Operating System. Question number 19. What is the full form of OS? A. Open System. B. Operating System. C. Open Source. D. Operating Styling. Correct answer is B. Operating System. Question number 20. Which of the following programs is loaded first when starting a computer? A. Network Connection Program. B. CMD. C. Operating System. D. Windows Desktop. Correct answer is C. Operating System. Question number 21. The operating system work between A. Network and user. B. User and computer. C. One user to another user. D. All of these. Correct answer is B. User and computer. Question number 22. Which of the following statement is true? A. OS enables the programmer to draw a flowchart. B. OS links a program with subroutine it references. C. OS provides a layer, user-friendly interface. D. None. Correct answer is C. Question number 23. Which of the following is the Linux OS? A. Open source operating system. B. Windows operating system. C. Private source operating system. D. Windows operating system. Correct answer is A. Open source operating system. Question number 24. What is Microsoft Window? A. Graphics program. B. Word processing. C. Operating system. D. Word processing. Correct answer is C. Operating system. Question number 25. Which of the following is not an OS? A. Pascal. B. Windows XP. C. Windows 7. D. Windows 10. Correct answer is A. Pascal.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.